Okay, this is a lesson for Thursday, May 21st. It is page 944. It's still part of the chapter review. It's just part 2. We're going to start at the top where it says concept check. The directions say describe each figure. Use parallel, perpendicular, or intersecting. Use the most specific term. So we're just looking at the lines that are given and we're deciding what are they. Are they parallel lines? Are they perpendicular? Or are they intersecting? So look at number 13. These lines, they are not touching. They look to me like they're equal distance apart. So what type of lines are those? Those would be parallel lines. How about number 14? I see two lines that are crossing, ST and UV, and they're making a square corner. So is that parallel, perpendicular, or intersecting? Well, it can't be parallel because we know that that's what number 13 is parallel lines. So it's either perpendicular or intersecting. Which one do you think it is? If you said perpendicular, you are correct because it's making a square corner. Okay. Number 15. Draw an angle with a measure greater than a quarter turn. So you're going to draw an angle that has a measure larger than a quarter turn. So a quarter turn would be 90 degrees. So I'm not going to draw an angle here, but I'm going to leave it to you. So it would be larger or greater than 90 degrees. So you're going to draw that angle. It would be obtuse if it's greater than 90 degrees, right? Number 16, classify the angle as right, acute, or obtuse. By this point, you should be able to do 16 on your own. So look at the angle. Is it right? Does it have a square corner, 90 degrees? Is it acute? Is it smaller than 90 degrees? Or is it obtuse? Is it larger than 90 degrees? Write your answer on the line. Number 17, classify the triangle as acute, right, or obtuse. So here's a hint. Look at this angle here. Whatever type of angle this is going to be your type of triangle. So is that angle acute, right, or obtuse? Number 18, write the type of quadrilateral that best describes the shape at the right. So what type of quadrilateral is this? You're going to have to go back to your key concepts map a couple pages back and look at the different types of quadrilaterals and compare it to the chart. And then decide and write it on the line. Number 19, draw the lines of symmetry in each figure. I'll do number 19 with you, and then you can do number 20 on your own. We're going to draw the line of symmetry. So the line of symmetry for the heart, there's just one. Goes right down the middle like this, because then if I folded this paper in half and that was my crease of my fold, both sides would line up exactly the same. So now you're looking at 20 and you're doing the same thing. Draw the lines. I'll give you a hint, there's more than one. Draw all the lines of symmetry.